What you're looking at on screen right now isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's what people saw with their own eyes around 4,500 years ago. Experts believe that when Egypt's Great Pyramid of Giza was first built, it was covered in a gleaming layer of white limestone with a metal cap at its very peak. After thousands of years, that limestone has worn away, but this massive pyramid still stands tall as a symbol of human fascination. While all the other wonders of the ancient world have been lost to time, the Great Pyramid of Giza survives. It's so iconic, it's even included among the modern 7 wonders of the world. What's truly mind-boggling is that until 1888, humans couldn't build anything taller. It was only when the Eiffel Tower was completed in 1889 that its record was finally broken. It's no wonder the pyramids are linked to countless conspiracy theories. The great inventor Nikola Tesla even had a wild idea about them. He believed the pyramids weren't tombs at all, but gigantic energy transmitters. However, scientists have rejected Tesla's theory, since no evidence has ever been found that the pyramids were used for any kind of energy-related purpose. Still, one thing is clear. Such gigantic structures couldn't have been built merely as tombs. Even medieval Europeans thought building such massive pyramids just to secure a pharaoh's journey to the afterlife didn't quite add up. That's why, for thousands of years, people have been trying to solve the mystery of the pyramids. And now, it seems like we might finally be getting some answers. If we look at a map of Egypt, we find about 115 pyramids, and they all have one thing in common. They were built along the Nile River. In the south, the pyramids are smaller. But in the north, around the city of Cairo, you find the giants, including the Great Pyramid of Giza itself. Originally, this enormous pyramid is believed to have been about 146.7 meters tall. Over the centuries, however, invaders have damaged it, and now its height is around 137.5 meters. Historians even believe that Napoleon's army caused considerable damage to it. But the biggest question scientists have always faced is this: where did the granite and limestone used to build it come from? There are no sources of these stones anywhere near Giza. So, how did the ancient Egyptians transport massive blocks of granite and limestone from so far away? And how did they lift them to such incredible heights? The nearest granite quarry is located about 900 kilometers from where the Great Pyramid stands. How could they possibly bring it all that way? Until recently, experts believed the granite was brought via the Nile River, which connects to both Cairo and Giza. But there was a problem with this theory. The Nile flows to the east of the pyramids, making a direct water route seem impossible. However, a recent discovery has finally solved this mystery. Scientists have found another, now extinct branch of the Nile River. Known as the ancient Aramat branch, it once flowed right next to where the Great Pyramid was built. This was the inland waterway the ancient Egyptians used to transport the limestone and granite from 900 kilometers away. Even with this waterway, moving such heavy stones was no easy task. Cutting them, loading them onto boats, traveling that long distance, and then unloading them must have been incredibly difficult. Experts believe the Egyptians may have designed special boats capable of carrying extremely heavy loads, because ordinary boats could never have handled that much weight. And this wasn't something they did for just a year or two. They did it for over 1,000 years, since every pharaoh's death led to the construction of a new pyramid. All of these pyramids were built over the span of a millennium. Just think about it. While trying to solve the mystery of the pyramids, scientists ended up discovering an entirely unknown branch of the Nile River. But just when they thought they had solved one mystery, another shocking one appeared. Ground-penetrating scans at the site of the Great Pyramid of Giza have revealed a mysterious, L-shaped structure buried deep underground, something we had no idea even existed. No one knows why it was built. It's possible a mummy is buried there, or maybe it hides something that could change our understanding of human history entirely. The pyramids hold so many secrets and inspire so many theories that their stories may never truly end. Scientists are baffled by the fact that civilizations all over the world, completely unconnected to each other, built pyramid-like structures. In Mexico, for example, there are several pyramids, including the famous Pyramid of the Sun. Sudan actually has more pyramids than Egypt, though they are smaller in size. The Mayan civilization also built pyramid-shaped structures, like the Temple of Tikal. So why has the human brain always been so drawn to the pyramid shape? Perhaps the answer will only come from future studies of the Great Pyramid of Giza. What do you think about all this? Tell us your theories in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell, because we bring you fascinating videos like this every week. See you in the next one, and as always, thanks for watching.